E ngā kaunui ana a Zoe Jacob I te kēmu poi tarawhiti.
Oh, Zoe. Zoe's such an exciting player for our future. She's so coachable. She's one that continues giving 100% in everything that she does.
I tīmata te whakataetai poi tarawhiti mō ngā kura tuarua I ngā nahi. Mō te kai tākaro Ngāi Tahu a Jacob me tōna tīma no Scots College I te whanganui ātara, koinei tā rātou whakataetai ā mō tū tuatahi.
Which is a big achievement, and our coach keeps saying how we're going to be like talked about forever because we're the first team that got here, so we're really proud of our accomplishment to get here. We're a very young team. We've only got one year 13 and then the rest of us are year 9, 10 and 11, so we're all babies.
Heoi, ko ngā rama Milna Olsen te kaiako o te kapa nei, ka whakatū I te kaupapa poi tarawhiti ki te kura o Scots. Ko ia tērā e whakaako ana I te kapa o te Central Manawa, me te kapa Māori o Aotearoa.
For us, it's an opportunity to continue growing and developing our players. Being here in amongst the best of Aotearoa, the secondary players in Aotearoa, is a huge achievement on its own. We just continue ensuring that they're developing their pukinga, marungi te kōti, kiwahoi te kōti, so that they stay connected, so that translates onto court.
E tuki rai ki te rai ana rātou I tā rātou tuatahi o te rā ki te kura o Avondale. Koira, te kaitoa o tēnei whakataetai I ngā tau e rua ki muri.
Yeah, we had lots of team talks last night and we were just talking about how we need to take away the fact that they're like known to be good and we don't really have a name yet for us.
Oh, we're super proud of our girls. We always knew it was going to be tough for us. It was important for us to focus on our own strategy, our own game, and take the small wins on each quarter.
Nā hakoa kaore rātou I wini, nui ngā hua kei roto I e rā miniti e whā te kau.
We saw some exceptional play out there and passages of play from our girls, and that's a big step forward for us, and we can only build on that. We've got a really young side.
It's been so cool playing against all the older girls. There's so much experience here and just being able to learn what I can implement into my game is really cool.
Ka haere tonu tēnei whakataetai ki te rāmere o tēnei wiki ki ngā puna wai. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Let's all see 1, 2, 3.